Welcome everyone. Shubhendu Bhattacharya here from Queening Solution, and today we will talk about web app. To do this practical, I will take help of my Windows 10 computer. So let me take the remote desktop. This is my subscription, where at first I have to click on App Service. In the App Service, I will click on the Add, and from the gallery or from the marketplace, I will select the web app. So here I am creating my own website. Then I will click on the create. So here at first I have to give a unique name like test 456. This name is not available. Test 65. So the complete URL will be test65.azurewebsite.net, and the subscription is MSDN platform. Resource group, if we have a resource group, we can select a one, otherwise we can create a new one. App service plan. Based on your requirement, how many deployment slot you want, what instance you want, based on your requirement, you can select your pricing tier. So let's select a standard 2 for our pricing tier, or we can select the standard 1. And this is the application inside. If you want, we can make it enable. If you want, we can off it. So let's go ahead and click on create. So this is how we can create our own app service, and it will take a moment to create our own app service, and at the moment the app service is create, our website will be live. But the problem is the look and feel of this website will be something else. Now so the look and feel of this website will be by default, so we have to change it using the code. So let's check that the website is created or not. Click on the app service. Yeah, so here is my website and it has been created, and the URL is test65.azurewebsite.net. So if I click on browse, so this is the website. If you open this page, you will be able to see this default page. Now I want to change this default page. For that, what do we have to do? We have to write a code, or we have to push a code from my Visual Studio. So let's open the Visual Studio. We can take a help of our left file. So this is one of website package, or the code that we got from Microsoft. And so here I'm doing a little bit change. So Now let's think that my coding is ready, to publish the website, to release. So what we will do after doing all the stuff, or after doing all the work, so at first I have to save the project, right? And after saving the project, what we have to do, we have to open the portal, and from the portal we have to download the publish settings. So here is the option to download the publish settings or the publish profile. Select the project, right click on the project and click on publish. Over here you will get these two options. First one is the Microsoft Azure App Service. Here you have to give all the details manually, or you can import it. So if you click on import, you have to open that, or if you have to select that publish settings. At the moment you will do that, it will take all the settings automatically, and you can click on publish. It will take a moment to publish your website, or to push the code from your on-prem server from this computer to the Azure portal. After that, your code will be live on the URL. So let's wait for a moment. So let's try to open the web page again. As you can see that now I got this new page. So this is very simple, and this is how we can build our own website through the Azure Platform as a Service, where the URL is the test65.azurewebsite.net. Now your question might be that, what if you don't want this by default name, or the .azure.website.net, if you don't want this name, you want your custom domain? We do have an option for that also. So for that, what do you have to do? At first you have to purchase a domain from GoDaddy or from any other domain provider. After that, you have to open the portal, and from the portal you will get this option called the custom domain. Over here you have to do the configuration. If you don't have a domain, you can purchase a domain from here also. Let me tell you a few more things, like deployment credential. So this is the page, or this is the place from where you can select the deployment credential. Now let me show you about the deployment slot. So deployment slot is an option where you can publish your code, your staging code, you can create your own staging environment. So let's create one staging environment. And this is my staging environment. If I try to open my staging environment, then you will see the same default look and feel. So what I want, that I want to swap this content with this content. So I want that this is my production URL. My production URL should get this look and feel, and this staging environment should get this look and feel. For this we have to swap the environment. So let's go back to the web app and click on the swap. This is a very simple process to swap the website between the staging and the production. So everything is set up. You have to select the staging as a source, and you have to select the production as a destination, and you have to click on OK. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes or maximum 5 minutes to swap the the website between these two URL, and that is completely depend on your website code, website source code, and the dependency. If you have a very big website, then it may take a long time. So I think it will take some time. We have to wait. So let me pause the video. So the swapping is done. So let's try to refresh the page. So this is my old look and feel, and the new look and feel should be the King Corporation. So if I refresh this page, yeah, I got this new page, new look and feel, and here the default page should come. Yeah, so this is the swap option. So this is how we can swap the production environment between the staging and the production, and this is how the web app work. So this is a very simple model. This is a very simple session where we talk about the web app. In this video I will not discuss so many things. I will back with another video. Till the time, take care, bye bye.